Today we have a super fun and super exciting video. We have, count 'em, 1, 2, 3 Disney Doorables to unbox. And these are super fun because you can stack these Doorables, as you can see in the picture. You can mix and match them. And then what's super fun about these is there's a surprise figure inside. We don't know what we are going to get. There are so many sets here that you can mix and match. Today we have the Ariel Secret Cove set. We have Olaf's Chill Out set. And we have Mickey's house. I wonder who the characters are gonna be. I wonder if the characters are going to be like, maybe this one will be Sebastian or Flounder or one of the Little Mermaid characters. Maybe this will be one of the Frozen characters. And maybe this will be either Mickey or one of his friends. I wonder if maybe it might just be a random Disney character that is hiding in the different houses. We're gonna have to open it to find out. So let's go ahead and open Ariel's Secret Cove and see what's inside. Okay, so in this Ariel Cove box, we're going to open it. We have our list in here to see what character we get and to check the name. Okay, so first, we have our box with, I think, our Disney Doorable. So I'm gonna put that to the side so we can open it and find out what's inside. Then we have here we have Ariel's Cove. It has a really fun glittery seashell. And you can open this to put your surprise character inside. So then they have this coral that we're gonna put just on the top of our Ariel Secret Cove. So once we get that on, then we can open up our surprise character. So it says surprise figure inside. So let's open it up and see who our surprise figure could be. Okay. Oh, it brought some more decorations here. Here it brought a seashell. I wonder who this could be for. With a pearl inside. Can you see that? And then I think the stand is for our adorable characters. So let's see who it is. It is Ursula. Ursula is ready to take over this secret cove. I think she wants to capture Ariel, and she wants to take all of her things. She says, sing to me, ha ha ha. Sing to me, ha ha ha. So we're gonna put Ursula in here. That way she can hide when Ariel comes her way and she can take her voice. But we don't want Ursula to be the winner, so maybe we should leave the door open so Ariel can see her coming. Okay, so next, let's open up Olaf's Chill Out. So it looks like the characters are going to be from the movie. So let me know in the comments below before I open up this surprise figure who you think is going to be hiding inside Olaf's Chill Out. My guess is it's going to be the Abominable Snowman. What do you think it's gonna be? Okay, so I'm going to pull out Olaf's Chill Out. We have our surprise figure, just like Ariel's Secret Cove. We have our list, just like in Ariel's. And then we have Olaf's Chill Out Cave. Let's pull that out. We have some ice here that attaches to it. So let's go ahead and connect that. Okay, we're gonna put our ice right up here, and let's go ahead and see who our surprise figure is. Let's open up our box. I love surprises. Let me know if you love surprises. Ooh, here is our bag. Let's open it up and see who's inside. What do you think it's gonna? It's one of our friends. Who do you think? Can you see? What? It's Sven! Hi, Sven. I think Sven is looking for some carrots. He looks pretty hungry. Hi, Sven. How's it going? Oh, yep. I think Sven is definitely hungry. So let's open up Olaf's Chill Out, and we'll put Sven in here so that way Kristoff can find him and bring him some carrots. And something super cool about these Doorables is we can put them together and they can stay together like that. So we'll put our icicle here, and we can open up our door so we can see Sven and Ursula. Hi, Sven! I don't know if I want to say hi to Ursula. She looks like she's up to no good. Maybe we can have one of our Mickey friends help us and make sure Ursula doesn't get into any trouble. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Mickey's house. Okay, so we're pulling out Mickey's house. I'm so excited to see who our surprise character is. Okay, so we have, ooh, Mickey's house is so nice. We have our box. And we have Mickey, and Mickey here has a little chimney. So what I was thinking would be fun is we can stack them here on top. So that way they can all three be together and the chimney can go through the top. So here we have a door that opens, we have another fun sparkly door, and we have the Mickey ears so we can know it's one of Mickey's friends hiding inside that door. So we have our special surprise figure inside. Let's see who our last Doorable for today is. Who do you think it's gonna be? My guess is it's going to be Donald. I'm gonna guess Donald. Okay, let's see. Who could it be? Who do you think it's gonna be? Do you think it's gonna be Donald? Maybe? Yes, no? It's not Donald. Who do you think? Let me know in the comments by this little peek. Who is it? It's our friend Pluto! He looks so cute with his puppy dog eyes here. And they have a little stand for him to stand on. Oh, hi Pluto. You must be looking for Mickey. Why don't we put you in the house so that Mickey knows just where to find you? These Doorable friends are so much fun. I love that they have the doors that you can open and close and hide them in. This is such a fun Doorable. So I think my favorite one out of the three is Ariel's Cove, just because I thought it was fun that it brought the extra seashell too. And that is fun to play with Ursula. So which one of these three is your favorite? Is it Mickey's? Is it Mickey's house? Is it Olaf's Chill Out or Ariel's Secret Cove? Let me know in the comments down below, and we will see you guys next time on another video. Bye, boys and girls.